Good AM. Today is March 23, 2024 Saturday, and here are the 10:30 AM STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandawi City. Here are the STL Story 3 10:30 AM draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for March 23, 2024 Saturday. Here are the STL Shore 3 10:30 AM draw result from Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Saturday, March 23, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of March 23, 2024 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.